Hey again, everybody. Thought I'd show the finishing of the ball handles. Last night I showed how you machine the taper, so now I want to show how you machine off the base and the 20-degree angle using the cup that from the George Thomas design excuse me, that I showed in previous videos. So it's real simple. The cup has a little slit in it, as you can see. Well, it's got compression slits along the back, and then it's got a large slit in the center there, so you can just place the ball in there and the handle part can go through the middle. Let me twist the camera down so you can see what I'm doing here. Place the the cup and the ball inside the 3-jaw chuck, and you arrange it so that these two jaws here will squeeze on the cup and hold the ball in place, and the angle is set automatically because the small ball comes in contact with the base of the chuck there. So hold it all in place, tighten it down, and with this is a real small chuck I'm using, so I'm going to go around all three places and tighten it down real well. And I've already made one. I tested it just so I could set my DRO. Alright, it's nice and tight, it's not going anywhere. And now what we'll do, I set my DRO for my depth of cut, because you want to take most of that protruding part of the ball off. Again, I'm using my diamond tool, tangential tool cutter, diamond tool cutter. That's not the right name, tangential tool holder. And I really do like this thing. I'm using it again, I've adjusted the angle, and so now there it's just touching there. I'll go ahead, I'll move it in, say about 30 thousandths of an inch, something like that. Put a little cutting oil on it, fire it up. I think I'm at 360 RPM. This is the same speed I was using last night. So here we go. And again, if you're using headphones, this would be a real good time to turn it down because the noise is going to get loud in just a second. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I just feed it in, cut a little bit off. Hopefully you can see that pretty clearly. All the way to the center. Come back, and about 30 thousandths more. Cut it again. Taking off about 125 thousandths total, about 1/8 of an inch for this size ball. Comes off as easy as you please. Nothing to it, about 26 thousandths more. And there we go. This will be the final cut there. So I can twist this out, clear off my chips, put a little more oil on the face. I really don't even have to stop the lathe. Go ahead and put a center drill in, my tailstock drill chuck. Can't see it, but I'll just narrate. You can see my arms over there. The center drill in. Slide the tailstock drill up, tighten it down. Make a nice little center drill, nice and easy. Don't rush it or force it. I just like to let it go in there nice and easy, like I said. Nothing to it. Clear off the center drill. Unlock the tailstock drill chuck. Take that out. Use a smaller drill. Could go straight to the 1/4 inch, but just by habit I always like to start with a smaller one. So this one's about 3/16. As you can see, when I put the drill up, I'm using stubby drills. I really like these things, aka screw machine drills. And you can see I'm just started. I'll set my tailstock indicator to 0, and I'm going to go ahead and go in 250 thousandths, that's 100, back it out, 250, from the time it makes contact, bring it out, clear the chips away, put a little more oil on the part. Oh, sorry I hit the camera with my fingers, sorry guys. And we'll put the Well, the first one of these I made, I used a 1/4-inch end mill, and it made a real nice tight fit. What I'm thinking about is actually, because an end mill will make, or a reamer will make a much more concentric hole than a drill. I'm actually thinking about silver soldering these. Okay, so there's my 0, set my tailstock to 0, 100 thousandths, 200. I'll just go ahead and go for the gusto. There's 250. Back it out. Move it back. Turn off my drill. Turn off my part. Turn off the machine. And this is, see, I've previously made up a batch of these. I used some 1/4-inch steel. This is zinc plated steel. It was a little harder to make these than just regular cold rolled, so I would recommend cold rolled steel. And so that'll fit in there. And let's see, like I said, I'll probably silver solder those in. Where did I put the, there we go. Just take this apart and show you the finished product, so to speak. You can see the handle stayed where it was supposed to. There we go. Take the ball out. Voila. So I'll probably, like I said, silver solder that in there, or as our British friends say, solder. And then you use washers to get the exact right closing clamping fit. So I think at first, just in the interest of time, I'll probably use ordinary washers, and then maybe I'll make some fancy washers when I get the exact thickness for each one. So that's what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and shut the camera off now and make a few more, finish the batch. So I hope that was interesting to everybody. Thanks for your comments. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll keep you posted.